Ġi Malta għattem sabiħ biex minn hawn imexxi kumpanija li kibret għal valur ta' miljuni ta' dollari. Tkellimna ma' Brian Majdel, kap eżekuttiv tal-kumpanija FRVR li għandha l-uffiċċju ewlieni tagħha f'Malta. Spjegalna kif madwar sena u nofsilu iddeċida li jiċċaqlaq ma' familtu għal pajjiżna.
One day in a particularly bad weather day in Copenhagen, I thought I must be able to run this company from a much nicer place than this. And started looking around, and Malta was everything I was looking for.
Spjegalna l-kunċett wara l-lob li joħol huma bħala kumpanija. Lob bxejn u sempliċi għall-aħħar li faċli taċċesshom u tilabhom.
We have a rule of thumb that you have to be able to download and try the game within 3 seconds. It has to be appealing right away. It has to be polished and fun but uncomplicated. And we have a rule about distributing absolutely everywhere. So you can play it on any app store, any telephone, any computer, anywhere that you can run a browser, you can also run an FRVR game.
Sissa għandhom 30 logħba, madwar 20 logħba oħra qed jiġu żviluppati bħalissa.
We have about 20 million people playing a month. We have a game that's been played more than 1 billion times at this point. And they're quite popular and very widespread.
Il-mira tagħhom issa hija li minn 20 miljun fix-xahar dawn jitilgħu għal 100 miljun fix-xahar fl-ewwel 3 xhur tas-sena d-dieħla. Iktar kmieni din is-sena il-kumpanija tellet ma' $3 miljun f'fondi li jixed it-tkabbir li għaddejja minnu l-kumpanija u l-viżjoni pożittiva li l-investituri għandhom fiha. FRVR barra pajjiżna għandha uffiċċji f'Londra, Copenhagen, Sevilla u Beijing. Fl-uffiċċju f'Malta li hu dak ewlieni qegħdin jaħdmu 9 persuni bil-mira hi li jitilgħu għal ferm iżjed.
We expect to grow quite heavily in the next years. We plan to be dominant in the post-App Store world, and Malta figures in that we're going to scale quite a lot, and we're going to have most of our team here. So we want to hire a lot of engineers. We want to build some very strong technology and platforms, and make our name very well known in every single context you could think of.
Tkabbir li jasal mhux biss minħabba tem sabiħ li joffri pajjiżna, imma ferm iżjed.
It's a very pro-business mindset, and it's, you know, it feels easy to get stuff done most of the time, and it's there's a lot of talent on the island that we can employ. So yeah, I'm generally quite happy with my choice.